How to sync Instagram and Facebook account. Hey everybody, this side Nina from Create, Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the process. So for that, open up your Instagram. Go onto your profile on your bottom right. Again, tap on the 3-bar icon on your top right. Tap on to Settings and Privacy. Under your account, go on to Account Center. So this is where Meta controls both your experience of Facebook and Instagram. Here tap on Profiles. Now as you can see that my Facebook is already connected with my Instagram, but for you to do that, go ahead and tap on Add Accounts. And here you will see all your accounts. All you have to do is just tap onto it and tap on Continue. Likewise, so that was the one way of doing it. Another way you can do it is just tap on to Connected Experiences. Here tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Once you connect your Facebook account, you will see it right here. Just tap onto it. And you can toggle on the button that says your Facebook story, your Facebook post, and it will get shared automatically. So that is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.